Hi everyone, welcome to Euron, and guys, we are going to start one new series from today, and that is going to be a SQL Masters. As we all know that SQL, or maybe a database, you can say. So without database, you won't be able to build any kind of application. So maybe you are going to use a SQL system, you are going to use maybe a NoSQL system, or you are going to use maybe a vector DB. But yeah, so at the end of the day, you have to use some of the databases, and then only you will be able to build any kind of a system for a big data analytics, or maybe even for a BEV development. Now, keeping that in our mind, so we are going to start this particular batch, which is called as SQL Masters, as you can see. So we are going to launch this batch in a hybrid mode. So we're in a scheduled manner, so which is going to be every Monday. So you all will be able to find out our videos. So chapter by chapter, we are going to release our videos as per the chapter that we have scheduled over here. And yeah, so you all can get an access of a WhatsApp group, so where you guys can communicate with each other. You can do a discussion among your batchmate, and that's completely fine with us. And along with that, so yeah, there are a lot of features of this entire Euron ecosystem that you will be able to get now. So coming to a syllabus part. So syllabus, guys, I have created in such a way that I'm not leaving even a single topic unturned over here. So whatever is required, each and everything I'm going to discuss inside this particular syllabus that you can see. So starting from a very basic, there is no prerequisite at all, right? No prerequisite, there is no prerequisite at all. And we are going to talk about each and everything. Plus we are going to do a project at the end of this entire syllabus. So I have added two projects. One is a inventory management project, and another one is a user authentication project. So I'm going to talk about this project in a very detailed way, starting from a design till a development and a deployment of this entire project with respect to a SQL system. That is something that we are going to do it inside a class itself, guys. So hope all of you are going to like this entire syllabus, and obviously this is pretty much needed. Even you can say that, or maybe you can argue with me that we are living in an age of AI. Obviously, we all are living in an age of AI, but unless and until you don't know what to ask to AI, what you will do? Nothing, right? And to ask a proper question or to solve a particular problem, so you are supposed to be aware about each and every term, at least for once, right? And then only you will be able to build a better and better system with the help of AI. And this is where all of this entire series comes into a picture. And keeping that in our mind, so we will keep on launching more and more series. We have already launched like a 20 series over here inside a Euron ecosystem, along with all the other services. So please go and check out. This link will be available inside your video description, and do let me know. So if you have any kind of thoughts in your mind, we'll try to incorporate those thoughts. With that, thank you so much, everyone. Take care, and see you again in my next video or lecture.